Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our web application development discussion series. Today we are going to talk about how we can develop a single product view model for our manage product web page. In this web page, here we have inserted our product images. When we click on this image, it's going to pop up this single product view model. In this model, here we have inserted our product title. Then we have inserted that product image in here. Then the price of this product, quantity of this product, and the seller of this product. After that, in here we have inserted the description of that product. After that, in here we have inserted the close button to close this model. So let's go into our code and see how we have developed this. In our manage product.php file, here we have our product image displaying part. Within this part, in here we have inserted the on-click function as view product model, and then the opening and closing bracket of this function we have given a PHP script, and we have set to print id value from selected data variable. So it's going to print that selected product id within this opening and closing bracket. After that, in here we have inserted our first model, and we have given this model id as view product model, and then we have concatenated the PHP script value into this id name, and we have set to print id value from selected data variable. Within this model, in here we have given title of that product, and then in here we have inserted that product image. Within this PHP script, we have run a search query as select all from images table where product id column value is equal to id value from selected data variable, and then in here we have stored that value in image rs variable. In the next line, we have checked how many rows are available in image rs variable, and we have stored that value in image num variable. Then in here we have checked whether the image num variable value is equal to 0 or not. If this condition is true, then in here we have inserted the image tag, and we have given its src attribute value as empty.svg. If this condition is false, then in here we have given this part we execute. From here we have taken the first row from our image rs variable, and we have stored that value in image data variable. Then in here we have inserted another image tag, and we have given its src attribute value as a PHP script, and we have set to print code value from image data variable. After that, in here we have run a search query as select all from user table where email column value is equal to user email variable value from selected data variable, and we have stored that value in sellers rs variable. Then we have taken the first row from seller rs variable, and we have stored that value in seller data variable. Then in here we have inserted our price, quantity of our product, seller's first name and seller's last name, the description of our product. After that, we have inserted the close button here. So let's go into our script.js file. In here we have our view product model function. In here we have created the global variable as pm. Within this function opening and closing bracket, we have taken the forwarded value from manage product.php file, and we have stored that value in id variable. Then in here we have taken that model using that model id, and we have stored that value in variable m. In the next line we have defined that model as a bootstrap model, and we have stored that in variable pm. Then in here we have displayed that model in our web page. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you for joining with me. See you in the next video.